Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install Optifine in Minecraft 1.21.8. Let's get started. First, quit Minecraft and open a web browser, then go to optifine.net. Click Downloads and choose the version for 1.21.8. If a full release isn't available, use the preview version. Now, press download and skip the ad and save the file to your computer. Next, we need Java installed. Go to java.com and download and install it. Once installed, right-click the Optifine file, then choose Open With, then Java, and click Install. Wait for the installation successful pop-up. Now, open the Minecraft launcher and select the Optifine profile next to Play. And after that, start the game. To confirm, go to Options, then Video Settings, and you'll see new options like shaders, details, animations, and more. You can also press C to zoom in. Optifine has some fun Easter eggs. With Optifine installed, Minecraft should run smoother and you can adjust settings to improve performance or visual quality. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.